Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Brittany here with BB's Crafts. What's happening, bro? So today have an unboxing to do for Craspire. Now I know you guys have seen plenty of videos of people doing some collaborations with Craspire, and I am just another video. So hopefully the only difference that I could truly bring to you is sarcasm and playful personality. So if you want to stay tuned to see what I had got, make sure you sit back, relax, go grab your coffee, and come see. Alright, so I unboxed the contents in which I did this. Now, if you guys don't know what Craspire is, I mean, they have a lot of fun different things. I will have their information down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check out their website and their fun deals that they have. But one other main things that they have that everyone just absolutely loves is their wax melt kits and sets and stuff like that. Oh, my name's a little crooked. Let me fix that for you. Okay. And so I actually been wanting to get into doing this, but then I was like, Brittany, you honestly don't need any additional little crafts and things that you do. But so I never did it, but then, you know, when they come and say, hey Brittany, we like your videos, can you do this? And it's like, how could I say no? So anyways, I went ahead and I got the kit because I have absolutely nothing of any of the wax or dealies. So I had to get a kit pretty much like for a beginner to have everything. So this one is their pastels. You know, pastels are my jam. And in here, so we have the different color waxes. So we have like a dark pink, we have this really gorgeous green, look how pretty that is, then a lighter pink, light purple. This one's like ooh, that one's ooh, let's see here, look at how pretty these colors are. We have, what is this, gray, or it might be gray, who knows. And then we have like this darker lilac. We have this little pretty blues and yellows. Like, I cannot wait to play with these. And then in here should be my little, you know, thingamajig. Yeah, I know my names very well, don't I? But you take your tea light, you light it up, and you put this over your tea light. So then that way, hold on, wait for it. You have your little spoon, and it sits up there like that. You drop your little melts in there, let them melt, and you get the party started. So in this kit that I got, I have some metallic markers that it came with. So so I gave me 2 silvers and 2 golds. That's a pretty good deal, you know, to get 2 of them. So that's really pretty. This is basically to add onto either your pressing stamp before you stamp onto your wax melt, or you can do it afterwards after it cools down. And then let's see here. Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? So this is the stamp. Here's my little handle. This is so cute. It looks a lot smaller than it does when you look at it online. So this is the one that it comes with. This is a cute little flower. That is adorable. And we're just going to twist her around like that. It's a cute little flower. But I did order an additional one, which is, I mean, come on now. If you know me, you know me. I had to get one that is a butterfly. So I think what I'm going to do is I might, depending on how knee deep I get into doing this, I might find me someone on Etsy or something that can get me a personalized one with like my initials or something like that. So this, oh, and these are the tea lights. So it comes with tea lights for you, and I have plenty of tea lights as well of my own. So you just light this up, and then you put it over like that, and then you put your little spoon, they call it a ladle, I don't know. You just put it over like that, and then it melted up. So I think that is so cute. I cannot wait to play with this. I'm not gonna play with it today. I just wanted to show you guys what I had got, so you can, you know, anticipate the fun creativeness. Because first of all, I need to play around with it to make sure I even know what I'm doing. And yes, I can go ahead and watch videos, but I personally need to perfect this, all right? Because I am just not going to bring you guys craziness, only for my personality, not for the crafts. Just kidding. Or am I? Anyways, so yeah, I definitely want to play around with it a little bit so I at least know what I'm doing, because I also want this to be a reference video for you guys if you have been thinking about doing this and you want to dive into it. Like I said, I'm not the first person who's done wax melts. I'm not the first person who has collaborated with Craspire, but all I can bring you is my fun humor, antics, and shenanigans. So that's all I can truly do, and we'll play around with it. We'll make a few things, and we'll just do some different styling ideas and see what we can come up with, you know, as a family. Yes. So thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys. If you don't want to miss out on my future videos, make sure you click that subscribe button. Be absolutely awesome if I can make it at least a 3K before the end of the year. That is my goal. So tell your friends, your aunts, uncles, cousins, nieces, nephews, and all them second, once, twice removed, all them peoples to come holler at your girl, even if they don't like crafts and they just want to listen to me. I mean, go for it. Let's do this. But anyways, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps your girl out tremendously as well. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.